What should I do for the intro? What should I use for this? This should work. Yeah. That worked last time, but what should I do for today? Wait, if I think about it, this is the intro itself.
Subscribe!
So, welcome back to another dev vlog. Just like the last one, but way longer this time because it's more than a week of progress in this video, you know what I mean? Yeah. Haven't been uploading for a little while, but we are so back, you know what I mean? Yeah. As usual, thank you so much for the contributors and people who contribute to the game and subscribed, and also the staff team of the Discord server. Yeah, they've been asking for a shout out, so here we are. And thank you for subscribing. Really appreciate it. It helps out the channel and it really motivates me to make these videos, you know what I mean? Yeah. And don't forget the Patreons over on Patreon's channel. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's kind of it for the intro. So let's get back to the video. So today and yesterday I made this made some cool stuff like the character selection menu. It's revamped, as you can see right here. It plays every character plays like a random emote whenever you open it, and there's a brief description, you know what I mean, and a cool effect when you select. Yeah, opening and closing animation. Yeah, sick. And there's a shadow behind every character, you know what I mean? Yeah. This idea is from someone in my Discord server. Gotta shout him out, just in case, you know what I mean? Yeah. That's what I did, you know what I mean? Also, I made the cooldown thing when you like in the combat you can change the character and stuff like that. As you can see, I'm the hit this dummy. And now I'm trying to change the character. It says I can't, you know what I mean? I gotta wait for 30 minutes, you know. Now I can change the character. And it actually resets you, and if you click it too fast, like you can do it, you know what I mean? Like you just change the character, you know what I mean? Yeah. And I made this clan system. It's kind of half done at the moment, so let me get over there and show you guys. As you can see, there's some NPCs with their own idle animation, and you know what I mean. You can go to this guy and create a clan. It actually creates the clan right now, but you can't do anything with it right at the moment. You know what I mean. You'll be able to like update your clan and get invite people, you know the drill. Unique mechanic, yeah, manage clan and stuff like that. So that's kind of it for today.
Shit's locked.
What are we gonna do now?
I could probably help.
Jesus?
Yeah. Hey. How's it going? Hey.
So today Robix made this cutscene for this move that been already made by Axel, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's pretty slick. Axel cooked with this one. He animated this and made the VFX for this one. Pretty slick move, and yeah, cutscene is good too. Yeah, and I added another move to the game, but I lost the footage of the thing, but we reworked it anyway, so it's alright. You can find it. So that's it for the day.
Don't go that way.
So today Robix made this cool hand for, you know, Momo's moveset, like the psychic hand, you know. Yeah, it has two animations so far, like a slap and a stomp. So and we made this editing this kill emote, 1-inch punch. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, Axel made it, and the animation and the VFX, sign code editing. Yeah,
Look at this, bro. New Ray-Bans dropped, you know what I'm saying? And they got the camera in it too. Listen, bro. We in that good luck.
so today I made the cutscene move into the game, like code editing, you know. The cutscene move we made like in the previous day, I think. Yeah, let me show you guys. Let me get some alt, and let me go through this alt animation. Okay, it's called Rushdown, and it's like you charge like this and you hit like enemy, the cutscene plays. Yeah, it's it does about 40 damage. Yeah, I think you can sometimes miss it. Like, yeah, it has a big hitbox, but you need to like the timing, you know what I mean? Yeah, cool move. Axel made it, by the way, and the VFX is made by Axel also, and the animation is made by Axel as well. The cutscene is made by Robix Craft, and I just coded it in. Looks cool. We have some impact frames for this. I need to add that in. So yeah, that's kind of it for today. Yeah, like that.
Okay, Brain Trust, what do we do now? Oh, yes? I don't know. You're dumb. I'm not. Hey, this wall tastes like dirt.
So today I added another alt move, and we had this move for a long time, but we didn't code it in yet. But now it's in the game. It's a counter, as you can see. It's like sick. Axel made it, and the animation was made by Diamond P. And yeah, looks sick. Really cool move, and it's a counter. Like counterpart is not done yet, but yeah, stuff is done. Yeah. We also sneak this in our Discord channel. If you were in the Discord channel, you might have heard this before. You should join our Discord server. Yeah, real. The damaging and stuff is done also. This dummy, the label is kind of broken. Let me show you guys now. The other dummy. And also, make sure to join our Discord for leaks, you know what I mean? Yeah. As you can see, the damage going up. Yeah, pretty sleek. It does about 25 damage. Yeah. So it's kind of it. So it's been some days, but I'm back. I live streamed making this move yesterday. Yeah, I think. But if you, it's a sick move. It's alright. But if you wanna join streams like this and subscribe and turn those notification bells on, you know what I mean? Yeah. But the VFX made by Excel, and the animation is made by Robix, and the rig is made by Robix as well, as I showcased earlier. And yeah, it's kind of sick. And got new M1s. It's temporary, but yeah, we have those, and it's kind of sick. And you can combo with it sometimes. I guess you can combo and dash into it after you hit it. You know what I mean? Let me show you. You hit it and they get knocked back, and you can dash to them. And M1, you know what I mean? You can't use it when they are ragdolled. It won't do any damage. You know. And yeah, it's kind of sick. The VFX looks sick in my opinion, and the model is smooth. The animation too, really sick move. Like it. Yeah, you can see right there like that. You can do the move and dash to them. He died. Okay. So that's kind of it I did this day. So
10 people died in the Bronx last night due to a fire that killed 10 people in the Bronx last night during a fire.
Fire officials say all 10 people died due to the fire, which was too hot for their body.
So this is a move for Momo as a alt, the alt that Excel made, and the VFX and the animation were made by Excel, and cutscenes were made by Robix Craft. It's really sick and cool. Yeah, and it's an alt move, And here's the without the cutscene. Let me show you guys. There you go. As you can see, there's blocks flying all around and a punch at the end. It's really sick. Really cool stuff. Hell yeah. So that's kind of it for today.
Words like tidal waves will sweep me off my quiet cage and count my fireplace and tell me while I lie awake. The moon's got a grudge, it's trying to hold me. My hands won't budge as it cooks.